Do you want an easy morning sequence that you could use every single day, especially in the mornings, of course? You could implement into your face yoga lifestyle. Well, I'm going to show you these 4 easy poses that you can do. Make sure you have a glass of water. I have a mug here of water, clean hands, and a good intention for your practice this morning. See, I'm wearing kind of jammies here, as you can see. Roll your shoulders back, sit nice and tall. Make sure that your feet are grounded. Find your yogi posture. Make sure that you're nicely aligned. Take a nice breath in, breath out. Inhale, send your breath up through the center of your brain. Slowly close your eyes. Exhale, send your breath back down towards your sit bones. Spine nice and long. Once again, make sure you have space between your head and your neck and that your chin is parallel to the floor. You're not forcing any facial muscles right now. Your facial muscles are relaxed. Take a breath in, breath out. Slowly open your eyes. The first one is the relax and glow, and this is going to create more lymphatic flow throughout your whole face. You're going to create knuckles here, but with your index and your middle finger, especially these two, you're going to bring them right next to your nose and you're going to press. When you press, we don't want to press up or press down. The number one thing in your face yoga practice is you don't want to create more wrinkles. So when you do, give it the pressure that feels good to you, but that it looks good as well. I always recommend doing this in front of a mirror so you can kind of see what you're doing. I have a mirror here in front of me. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly move mid-cheek. You're just following along the cheek area as we go through this first phase. And again, just give it the pressure that feels good. Feel the symmetry as well. Don't try to create any asymmetry as we do our practice. And then slowly move towards the side of the face here. Following the last part of the cheek, just give it a press. And then I just want you to run those fingers down. And then behind the ear, press. And then run your fingers alongside your neck, running down. Good. Come back again. Right next to the nose, give it again the pressure that feels good. Make sure that your spine is nice and long still, that your shoulders are relaxed, your shoulders are not over here by your ears. Come to the last part. And then slowly as you run down, come behind the ears and then down towards the neck, chest. Good. Do it once more. Notice how the cheeks feel. They're nicely activating here. In the mornings, I like to run behind the ear down towards the neck. I like to wash my face 100 times, so you could even implement that before you do this. Have a nice clean face. Now come towards the chin or center of the chin. And I'll give you 2 options. You could either do knuckles or with your index. You can create a little bit of a question mark here and then press the thumb. So this one's your choice. So you can do this one or you can just do your knuckles. If you have the thumb underneath the chin, you can give it a little bit of press as we run along because we're going to go this way. So press here. Relax the shoulders. Make sure that you keep breathing. Circulation is important, so we need to bring that oxygen to our face as well. Come to the sides or to the ends of the corner of your mouth, so right underneath. You're going to press here. And then slowly midways. We're so used to going fast, so if you feel like a little impatient with this practice, just stay with your breath. We're so used to going go, 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 go. Come back to the center. And this one's called the Relax and Glow. When you move along, so make sure that, again, we're not creating any extra lines. And then slowly mid-press. Less is better. And then slowly towards the end of the jawline. And then slowly just run the fingers down. Okay, come back. I know we didn't do that with the first one, so come back here. It's just kind of letting the lymphatic drainage know, like, hey, go down. Don't stay up here in my face. Mid cheek. And then here at the end of the jaw, or jawline. And then run those knuckles down. Good. You're gonna bring those knuckles right next to the nose, but instead of facing the knuckles up towards the eyes, now you're gonna face it in. You're just gonna press here. Run along. But now you're going up. So we're not going this way, we're going up. And then when you smoothen out your forehead, it's just a gentle smoothing out. And then here, hold it at your temples and lift. Good. And then just run the fingers down. Next. Come back next to the nose. Second round. Go slow as you move up towards the center of your forehead. And then smooth out the forehead. Very, very gentle. Don't create more wrinkles. Relax the shoulders. Lift as you get to the ends or here at the temple. And then run those knuckles down. Good. Last one. Here with your last one, you're going to open up your hands. So as you move up, take your time. Breathe in. Relax your shoulders. Open the hands. And then just slowly feel the skin. Do a little bit of a lift here. The palms. And then just run the hands down. That's the first one. The forehead lift is next. Now that Relax and Glow, you can do 2 more rounds after this, but here we're just doing 1 round of each. Now the forehead lift, I have my hair kind of tied. Maybe I should loosen it up a little bit. So here what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring this L shape, so your index and your thumb, right at the hairline, and you're just gonna lift. Kind of relaxing the hair here a little bit, just so you notice a difference. When you do, try not to do this. Relax those shoulders. When you lift, it's just a very gentle lift. So notice this. It's just a gentle lift. You'll notice in your eyebrows when it does. Good. Now, you're going to look up. And then you're slowly going to look down. Stay here for 10 seconds. 10, breathe, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring those hands down, shake the hands, close the eyes, take a breath in and out. Open the eyes. It's better if you have the hair loosened. Now, another thing you could do with that one too, with the forehead lift, if you want to relax the elbows onto the desk, you can do that. Just a little bit of a tip there. The next one is the cheek and face line lifter. This is going to help with the nasolabial folds. If you sleep on your cheek, notice that when you do this, if you sleep sideways, that you're going to create this nasolabial fold and you're bringing the cheek closer to the eye. So this doesn't look good. If you can, sleep on your back. But if you're going to sleep on your side, try to lay more on the side of your head. So more on the skull. It's a little complicated. I'll make another video on that. Okay, here's how this one's going to go. The cheek and face line lifter. You're going to bring your hands. So your thumb is going to go behind your ear. And then your hands are just going to come to the side of your face. You're going to relax your shoulders. You're going to lift 45 degrees. Just a very gentle lift. Good. Now, you're going to bring your jaw a little forward. And then you're gonna curl your lips, your bottom lips, over your bottom teeth. And then you're gonna create a smile showing your top teeth. So it'll look like this. This is gonna help with the nasolabial folds, okay? So bring your hands down. It's a lot of information to take in. Roll your shoulders back. Take a breath in, breath out, bring your hands up. Adjust the hands, lift 45 degrees, very, very gentle. Don't create more lines. Always think of that. I don't want to create more lines. Just trying to smooth it out. So relax the jaw, bring the jaw forward, and then curl the bottom lip, and then show your teeth. Create a smile. And then here you might need to adjust the hands. Stay here for 10 seconds. 5, 2, 1. Slowly come down. If you have water near you, take a sip of water because this will kind of overwork the lips a little bit. And I really like this because it lifts the lower face. So this is a morning routine. So especially if we're doing this, so kind of lift all that. Next one to counter pose this is the big O. Now the big O is very simple. All you're doing is you're gonna relax your jaw. When you do the big O, it's not this. We're not trying to, the corners of the mouth aren't going out. We're relaxing the jaw, and you can even do this. Make a small circle with one of your hands, left or right, doesn't matter. And then just bring it to your lips. Bring your head down. Now the top lips are pressing against the top teeth. Stay here for 2 more seconds. Good. Close the mouth, close the eyes. We're gonna now fast just show everything that we've just done. Kind of bring it all together. So here we did it very slow, but now we're just gonna go through it just so you could see how long it's gonna take for you to do it if you decide to kind of just do this in the morning and you only have 5 minutes, okay? Or 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Relax and glow. We're just pressing. Press, press, press. Run the hands down. Just do 1 round and then bring the hands to the chin or knuckles to the chin. Press, 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 press. Down. And then right next to the nose. Press, press, press. Just smoothing it out. So imagine yourself, I don't have a lot of time. I'm just going to do this quick sequence that she just taught me. And then smooth and bring down. And then the forehead lift. So lift, look up, look down. Stay there for 5 seconds instead of 10. And then slowly bring the hands down. Bring the hands back, so behind the ear, right by the face. Create that smile, that smile line lifter. It's the curled, show the teeth. Come out of the pose. And then do the big O. Press the top lip to the top teeth. And then close them out. You can do a little bit of a tapping right afterward. Tapping the face, tapping the forehead, tapping the neck. And there you go. If you really like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want a beginner's guide, if you feel very lost with all this information of face yoga, I have an easy guide. It's called Unleash Your Radiant Self. It'll be down on the link. And I hope you enjoy the sequence. Implement it into your mornings. Namaste.